All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to check size of stuff, if it's actual size, and if it's not, how to make it actual size. So first of all, we'll go to Window and pull down our Transform palette. And we're also going to go to View and get Rulers out and go to Show Rulers. Now you might be thinking here, there's some inches up here. And you can right click, by the way, on the ruler to change your units on this document. If you want to change it for all your documents going forward, go up here to the settings and go to units there, and you can do it here. That's for all your documents going forward. This is just for this one. So I like it in inches. So I'm going to leave it there. And I have my transform palette here, and you can see this is 8 and some change wide. So and this link, this is 2 little chain links, and they're linked. So it, like it says when I hover it, it constrains the width and height proportion. So I'm going to make this thing 6 inches wide, and it just shrunk it down. Proportionally, the height changed as well. If I didn't do that, I'm going to make this 3. It's going to go really skinny, right? That's not what we want. I mean, it might be, but not in this case. So we're going to leave that linked, and then that's basically how you can check actual size there. You can also, I mean, this isn't like a viable method really of measuring here. You can, because that is, actual size, but if you want it to just be pixel perfect, type it in here. It works with images too. This is an image placed or embedded, doesn't matter. And I'm going to go down to 6, and boom, and it, same thing. Check your proportion link is on. And but yeah, that's how you can tell if something's actual size. And it even works with the artboard. If you go to the artboard tool, you do need you can double click here, and you can see your artboard here. But if you pop, it doesn't work in transform. But if you pop open properties, you have it on the go, like basically like the transform tools here. Now that I have the artboard selected, I can manipulate it manually right here. Same thing with the proportions, and I want this thing to be 20 inches wide, and it did do it proportionally. So yeah, that's how you do it. So you can check your artboard size, you can check your logo, you can check your images, all the sizes, change them there. Just simple transform palette is the big dog in that scenario. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.